Today we're going to be looking at Module 1, the American Experience. In Lesson 1, you are going to be identifying a common trend through 3 texts from this unit that draw a conclusion about the American experience. The first part, you'll be doing a pre-reading prompt and answering the questions of how would Americans define the concept of the American dream? What does the American dream mean to you? What are some values that current American society believes in? What are some American values that you believe in? How would you describe the experience for immigrants coming to our country? Because our country is a country built by immigrants. If you know or have heard of anything from family members, what was the immigrant experience like for your family or yourself? In this lesson, you'll be reading 3 different texts with some questions that look like this. And then afterwards, you'll be filling out the Making Connections formative assessment text. In Lesson 2, you're going to be answering the essential questions of how has America changed over time? You will read this informational text by Ari Shapiro called American Dream Faces Harsh New Reality. Once you are completed, you will then take a multiple choice assessment or quiz on the reading. In Lesson 3, you're going to be looking at the interpretation of the American dream or American experience. You are going to watch a TED Talk called The Danger of a Single Story. And as you watch it, you will complete this Building Background in the World document. Once you're done with that, you will then move on to brainstorming of our own identity on this document as a formative assessment. Please make sure you put in as much as you possibly can. In Lesson 4, this is your summative assessment, and you are going to be composing your own poem, and the type of poem is called the Where I'm From poem. You will first read, watch, or listen to the poem called Where I'm From by George Ella Lyon. Then, after reading, watching, or listening to the poem, you will begin brainstorming for your own Where I'm From poem on this document. Once you've done your brainstorming, answered as much as you possibly can, made it your own, you will then upload your final Where I'm From poem. Now, you can upload it as a Word document with just your poem. You could be creative and make a video or make an audio with some pictures. There were some examples on the document where you brainstormed, where you could have modeled your final project after that if you would like. This summative assessment, you are encouraged to be creative as you want.